Hello friends, I am KRISHAN OAD Advocate and you are watching Legal Knowledge KD. Our today's topic is re-examination. This topic relates to the law of evidence. After cross-examination, if the party who calls his own witness desires, he can re-examine his witness. Object. The object of re-examination is to fill up the gap caused by cross-examining the witness. Facts. Re-examination must relate to the relevant facts. Question. Leading questions are allowed to be put in cross-examination, but in re-examination they are not allowed to be asked. But by the permission of the court, the leading questions may be asked in re-examination. New matter. On the permission of the court, a new matter may be introduced in the re-examination. If the adverse party desires to examine the witness after re-examination, the adverse party may further cross-examine the witness. Now, I hope you have understood the topic of re-examination. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much to all of you for watching.